Hello guys, we're today part 2 of playing natural disaster. Okay, we're just waiting for the map to load in. We're doing first person in natural disaster. I know, it's very laggy. Because it's loading the whole map. Oh, I need a better phone for this. Guys, soon I will not be lagging. Because this is the almost oldest game. The kailan to nabon? 2008? 2008?